everyone! How are you today? I hope that wherever you are always healthy and happy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novita Dwi Lestari as a group leader with my group member namely.
Hi everyone, my name is Nadira Handayani.
Hello guys, my name is Anindya Putrian Zahra.
Hello, my name Nadifa Khansa Hanif.
Okay, by the way, what do we want to discuss in this video, dear?
So, in this video, we will discuss about something very interesting, namely the basic symbol in mathematics. You guys must be curious, right?
Wow, that is very interesting, definitely.
I really cannot wait to share you guys about basic symbol of math.
Let's we talk about basic symbol of math. First of all, we'll explain it by Novita.
The first is addition. This mathematical symbol is usually used to add two or more numbers to produce another number. An example of using the plus symbol is as follows: 1 plus 2 equals 3. The second is minus. This mathematical symbol is usually used to subtract two or more numbers to produce another number. An example of using minus symbol is as follows: 9 minus 4 equals 5. The third is multiplication. This mathematical symbol is usually used to multiply one number by another. Multiplication can be said to be repeated addition because one number will add up to many copies of one another. An example of using the times symbol is as follows: 3 times 3 equals 9. Where the result of 9 is obtained by multiplying the number 3 by 3 times. The fourth is division. This mathematical symbol is usually used to divide one number by another. In division, there are three different names, namely the number that is divided, the number of the divisor, and the number that is the result of the division. An example of using the division symbol is as follows: 20 divided 4 equals 5. 20 is called the divisible number, 4 is called the divisor, and 5 is the quotient.
More than or equal to. The mathematical symbol greater than or equal to is usually used to indicate a number that is greater than or equal to another number mentioned. Example of the use of symbols greater than or equal to are as follows: 2 more than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to. The mathematical symbol less than or equal to is usually used to denote a number that is less than or equal to the state number. An example of using the symbol less than or equal to is as follows: 4 less than or equal to 6. Absolute value. The absolute value mathematical symbol is used to calculate the value of a number from the distance of that number to 0. So, the absolute value must always be positive. An example of using the absolute value symbol is as follows: absolute value of x plus 3 equals 1.
Less than. The mathematical symbol less than usual is also used for comparisons, but one number is less or less than another number. An example of using the less than symbol is as follows: 5 less than 9.
Infinite. The mathematical symbol infinity is usually used to represent a number that is much larger than any imaginable possible number. Factorial. The factorial mathematical symbol is used to represent the multiplication of natural numbers that are less than or equal to n. Next, P. The mathematical symbol P is commonly used in material related to circles. P is a constant which is the ratio between the circumference of a circle and its diameter. Percent. The mathematical symbol percent is used to represent a percentage, ratio, or number as a fraction of 100.
Power. The mathematical symbol for powers is usually used to simplify the form of repeated multiplication of a number. An example of the use of the power symbol is as follows. Completed collection of mathematical symbols and symbols with their meaning 1069. The number above has the same meaning as a square root. The mathematical symbol for the square root, or also called the square root, is the opposite of the square root. For example, if we cannot find the square root of 9, we must know what number we square to product 9. Completed collection of mathematical symbol and their meaning 1060. Next, equal. The mathematical symbol equal is usually used to denote equality or equality. An example of using the equals symbol is as follows. So, the value of 2 plus 3 is equal to or equal to 5. Strict inequality. The mathematical symbol more than is usually used to show a comparison between two or more numbers, where one number will be greater than the other. An example of using the more than symbol is as follows.
So, in mathematics, we can learn about symbols and their meanings.
It was very interesting, and we learned a lot of useful information. We hope that what we present in this video is useful to all of us.
And even as